all know this video. Yeah? Well, screw this video. Actually, no, I mean scrap this video, that video, because like, you don't want to scrap this video, do ya? Like, one, not even on the right account for it, and two, I want to play this game instead. That's fun. It's loud. Wait, I didn't even check if my microphone was working. So hopefully, yeah, it is working. Hopefully. Now this is a tycoon, and I think this is a free spot.
Is it ready?
Yay! Chicken farm. Happy, happy chickens. Chicken. You're twerking at me. Nasty chicken. This is good. My van just drives off without me. My best worker leaves me forever. That is just like pretty sad. Especially for you, my adoring friends. 'Cause like, yeah. Get factory 1 to reach 1 animals. House. I need a house. Wait. No, I can't afford a house. Don't worry. Neither can I. These eggs just get better every day. You're leaving without my eggs? That's better. I expected better from you. You're my favourite worker as well. Perhaps you'll be promoted to least favourite child. Wait, no, a worker. Sorry. That's what my mum says. Ooh, wow, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh no. So as you can see, this is the same colour as the subscribe button nowadays. So click it and it will make everyone happy, especially Mr. Beast. He's looking for people. Anyways, if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you. So yeah, good boys. That will make everyone happy. I told you I'm the best YouTuber. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Oh, of course there's not enough trash. I mean cash. Bleep. The chicken's just pecking on its food while pooping out its babies. Is that actually how it works? Like, you just like... Oh, wow. You just like find get a baby, a hen, chicken to eat food, and then it like lays eggs. No. Mickey Macky! I found some new producers. Wow. Well, a new producer. Yeah, I'm kind of looking smug behind the camera. Just a normal farmer's life. Being a farmer is really easy, except this is only a chicken farm. So I don't do any crops. So yeah. I'm gonna save up for the autocollect, and then I can join one of them cool kids finally. I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna get that, and then gonna get that, then that, and okay. Shame on you. You made me not be able to afford it. Meanie. Whee! That's a fun ride, isn't it? Look how much money I get in like that much seconds. I'm gonna be rich. That's how much subscribers I'm gonna get. Because of how well trained I am. Yeah, I've got a trainer. It's my mum. She is a very good trainer. I wear her a lot because she's a trainer. Someone had to do the drums. No, my fault. There's obbies. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video of showing off my skills. I've got skills. Oh my god, I don't understand. Now guys, I'm back in my farm because then obbies like have the lava jumps like too spaced out, and then hello kind sir, can I have a cup of tea? So even though I wasn't touching them lava blocks, I still like kept dying. Game. Goodness gracious, you need to work on your non-annoying stuff. I will reduce. Go on then. Just. Oh, thanks. Climb up. Life is just really cruel sometimes. Like, you have to pay like £1 billion of Robux to get like a chicken pet or ×2 money, and yeah. Whoa, my subscribers are going up fast. Whoa, that is sick. Oh my goodness. Look how fast they're going. Oh wow, I'm gonna upgrade my subscriber makers. Continue. Oh, it's restarted. Well, I just wasted my money. Just to make it. Okay, I have to watch out for all the them things there. What they need to like, unless it's giving me like an upgrade thing for the chicken, making everything more cheap. It needs more on it actually, because the chicken's a moron. Wow, what a magic trick. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. That was me in the van saying bye to you.